Hey guys, welcome back. This is Ajaxx G here. So I have a quick video for you guys. I just want to say thank you to those who are subscribed and welcome to those who are here for the first time. If you want to see more about this keyboard that I will have links in it at the end of this video, as well as those speakers. Alright, so let's get into it. So I don't even know the name of this because it's like some off-brand. It was about 13 or 14 bucks on Amazon. It has RGB lighting, so that's why I went with it. I wanted it to match my keyboard. I mean, I am going to be doing some PC gaming. I am transitioning from console to PC. So I wanted to try it out and make sure I had a decent mouse to go along with it. It seems very responsive when I played Fortnite on here. There's another game that I want to play. I'm not huge on playing Fortnite on mouse and keyboard, to be honest, because, you know, I'm a little trash. But I got to practice. I just go to playground and practice. Alright, so I'm going to give you a little 360 of how the mouse looks. So the up and down arrows are to change the colors. On this side it has nice little grills, light comes out on that side, and the same as this side you have your to go back and forward. So you can fully program this mouse to do whatever you want depending on whatever game that you're playing. This does have some weight to it, so I really like that. I bought a mouse pad. I wish I did a review on the mouse pad that is on this video, but I'm gonna just plug this up and show you how it looks with some RGB lighting. And so this is how it looks when it's plugged in next to the keyboard. I think it's really nice. I think if I download the drivers, I will be able to have it match my keyboard. I haven't done that yet, but this is how it looks in the dark. It looks really nice. Orange is my favorite color, even though that's red. It does look orange in this video, so I'm gonna go with orange. But no, that is red. It does not cycle through the colors, but it does pulse through whatever color that you have set it to. Yeah, I really enjoy this mouse right now. It's comfortable. I have big hands. For, I guess, a woman, I have bigger size hands, so it does feel comfortable. It doesn't feel like it's too small. It doesn't feel like it's too large. Like I can just rest my hand on it and not have any issues. So that's a big plus for mouse. I know a lot of people that play on PC have told me that they have like wrist issues, and I'm like, oh no, that is not the way for me. Alright guys, if you've made it this far, you get to hear about the giveaway for this video. So the mouse that I just reviewed in this video, I will be giving away. There will be a Gleam link down below in the description, and you just put in your information there and you follow some of the steps, and you'll be able to get entered into the giveaway. I have just reached a little over 150 subscribers, and I would like to give something back because I really appreciate you guys coming, commenting, leaving a like, and so on and so forth. So if you haven't already, please hit that like button. Please hit that subscribe button. This is Ajaxx G here with another video. Ajaxx G out.